Welcome to the Continental Refrigerator service video page. Today we will be discussing how to change your unit from a door to a drawer. Before making any adjustments, it is always recommended to disconnect the power to convert your unit from doors to drawers. You will need a cordless drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, 4 Phillips No. 8 truss head sheet metal screws, a pair of pliers to remove the vertical pilaster strips, and possibly a rubber mallet. Open the door you will be converting fully 115 degrees so that it stays in the open position. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 top screws that secure the door to the face of the cabinet. Once the screws are removed, lift the door off the bottom pivot hinge and set aside. Remove the 2 bottom screws from the pivot hinge. Reinsert the 4 Phillips screws into the exposed hinge holes and screw in tightly. Remove the shelf and sidewall vertical pilaster strips with a 1/4 inch nut driver. Using 2 flathead screwdrivers as shown, pry the plastic breaker cover off the left side of the cabinet opening. Repeat the same on the right side. Only the left and right side covers need to be removed before inserting the drawer cage. The drawer cage assembly will consist of 2 drawers and the cage with the center cross mullion that holds the drawers. Open the top drawer, slide the locking clips for the slides forward and up on both sides and remove the drawer. Repeat to remove the bottom drawer. Lift the cage above the trim along the bottom of the opening so it is aligned to go straight into the cabinet. Carefully slide the drawer cage into the cabinet opening. A rubber mallet can be used to gently tap on the ends of the drawer cage cross mullion. When the cage is in as far as it will go, the center mullion should be flush with the front face of the cabinet. With the cage assembly properly in place, locate the 4 mounting holes along the front sides of the cage assembly. Using the drill and a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill 4 pilot holes through the cage assembly to the metal underneath. Drive a sheet metal screw into each of the pre-drilled mounting holes, securing the front of the cage to the inside of the opening, and tighten without stripping the screws or the pilot holes. Snap the 2 smaller plastic breaker covers that were shipped with the cage assembly onto the top, left, and right sides of the cabinet opening and caulk if needed. Insert the top and bottom drawers, locking the slide clips on the left and right sides. Open and close both drawers several times, making sure you have a good gasket seal. For any additional questions or assistance, please visit our website at continentalrefrigerator.com or call the factory at 800-523-7138 and ask for the service department.